Hey everyone, JEE Mains 26 के इस क्वेश्चन में मैक्सिमम एंड मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ फंक्शन एफ ऑफ एक्स निकालनी है। जेई के सारे क्वेश्चन कंसेप्ट बेस्ड होते हैं। इस क्वेश्चन में ए सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स है। व्हाट डज अ सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स मीन्स? इट मीन्स इट्स डिटर्मिनेंट इज इक्वल्स टू 0, so we can write determinant of a is equals to 0, and simplifying this gives 3 minus alpha is equals to 0, which implies that alpha is equals to 3. Our interval for x becomes close interval 1 comma 3. The function is given as an integral. Applying the upper limit x and the lower limit 0, we get f of x is equals to x cubed by 3 plus x square plus 3x. We need to find the maximum value capital M and the minimum value small m of f of x. To check the behavior of f of x, let's find its first derivative, and first derivative is equals to x square plus 2x plus 3. Let's rewrite this derivative by completing the square, which is x plus 1 bracket square plus 2. Notice for any x in close interval 1 comma 3, f dash of x is strictly greater than 0, which implies that f of x is increasing function on close interval 1 comma 3. Because f of x is strictly increasing, we can write maximum value capital M is equals to f of 3, and which is equals to 27, and minimum value small m is equals to f of n, which is equals to 13 by 3. The question asks us to find the value of 3 into capital M minus small m. So 3 into 27 minus 13 by 3 is equals to 81 minus 13 is equals to 63, and this is our final answer. Thank you.